Nothing screams holiday season like a freshly baked pumpkin bread. Why make this version? Not only is it loaded with chocolate chips, but it is tender and moist because of my secret ingredient. You'll want to stick around with me and find out what that secret ingredient is. Welcome or welcome back. Guys, I know you're going to love this recipe, and I hope you'll do it in your home. When you do like this recipe, you give us that thumbs up. If you are new here, hit subscribe and hit notifications so that you get all of our Simply Southern Grub recipes as they post. Now, let's get right to this bread and that secret ingredient. To start this pumpkin chocolate chip bread, you're going to need to get your 8x4 loaf pan. Now, I have lined this in parchment paper. This will make it so much easier to get out of your loaf pan. And I have sprayed it on top of the parchment paper with some cooking spray. You can use some grease if you'd like to of any choice. Butter would be great. I'm going to set this off to the side and preheat that oven to 350 degrees. Grab your mixing bowl. I am using my large mixing cup, guys. I love this. Makes it so much easier to pour it into your, for this one, loaf pan, but also your cake pans. You need 1 stick of butter or a half a cup. Add it to your mixing bowl. We're going to put this in the microwave and get it melty. While that butter's melting, we're going to mix up our dry ingredients. I need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To the flour, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoons of salt. I'm using a sea salt here, a half a teaspoon of ginger, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. You'll mix this in and then you will just give it a good whisk and then just set this aside. Our butter is all melted. We're going to start mixing up our wet ingredients. So this is that 1/2 cup of butter that we stuck in the microwave and melted. To this, we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. I had to check it. I'd already forgotten what I put in there. You need 1 cup of pumpkin puree. Now, puree, not the pumpkin pie, but the pumpkin. This is the pure pumpkin. You need 1 cup of it. Add that right in. We need 2 eggs. So you can just add these right in, guys. We're not going to be beating this before as we add the ingredients. We're going to beat this all together. This is a quick bread, and no one will know that we just dumped it all in together. Add you 1 teaspoon of a pure vanilla extract. I'm just eyeballing it. Probably got a little bit more. I've got a heavy hand. And then our secret ingredient. This is the one that's going to bring that extra moisture to this bread. It's going to be so delightful. Guess what it is? A 1/4 cup of sour cream. That's right, guys. Sour cream. This will bring so much more moisture to your bread. It will make a huge difference. And then we're just going to get the mixer and mix this all together. That's all mixed up. We're going to now add those dry ingredients. We're going to gradually add in the dry ingredients just until it's mixed. We don't want to overmix it. That's all mixed up. Now we need to fold in those chocolate chips. We're folding in a 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. These are semi-sweet, so you'll just fold this in. Just start at the bottom and then pull up to the top. Look at that. Guys, you might think that chocolate chips and pumpkin does not go together, but it does. It is they are a beautiful complement to each other. Now, all we've got to do is add this to our loaf pan. I was talking to my brother this morning. I was telling him what I was making, and he was like, that just doesn't sound right together, pumpkin and chocolate chip. And I said, well, brother, it's because you never had it, okay? It's delicious. So I can't wait for him to taste this. Just level out as best you can your loaf. We're not keeping score. We don't keep score on this channel. So you do you. How can that be wrong? Look at that. You'll want to put just a sprinkle of chocolate chips on the top of your bread. This is going in the oven. Again, that's preheated at 350 degrees in the oven for an hour to an hour and 20 minutes until it passes the cake test. If the top starts getting too brown as you get into, say, somewhere around 50 minutes, you can always tin it with some foil. Guys, I am going to be using my Breville. This is a 10-in-1. It is my favorite appliance in the kitchen. Going in. Our pumpkin chocolate chip bread is out of the oven. We're going to let it sit here for 15 minutes and then we're going to pull it from the loaf pan. After your pumpkin chocolate chip bread has cooled for that 15 minutes, then you can move it over to a wire rack. Guys, this parchment paper makes it so easy to make that move. Look at how beautiful that bread is. We're going to let this finish cooling and come back and get into this. That secret ingredient made this so moist. This pumpkin chocolate chip bread will be the perfect holiday breakfast, or a coffee break, or lunch, or dinner, or even dessert. Guys, I hope you will try this in your home. Your support on the channel has been so appreciated, guys. Keep it coming. Keep those thumbs up coming. Those comments, we need those. And if you like this recipe, you give us that thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. Hit notifications so you get all of our recipes as they post. And for heaven's sakes, put me a comment down there. Guys, until next time, take care and God bless.